Three.
Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Aman
And I'm Daddy.
off camera again.
Again, not prepared, dude. Okay, so what we are going to do today, Mom?
DIY water filter.
DIY water filter. I see the water filter right behind you. Do you need one more? Or you don't want to buy it? You want to make it by your own?
Yes.
Alright, so Aman is going to make a water filter by himself.
Yes.
That means he is going to explain the process of sedimentation. And we'll see how the water gets cleaned up.
Okay,
Alright?
we need cotton.
Oh, first we need cottons. Alright. And then
And we need
half cut bottle. Okay, half cut bottle.
that in a funny shape because my dad hair dried it.
Oops, why did you say? Oh my goodness. Alright. Next,
Charcoal
charcoal. We need charcoal. Alright.
and some cotton fell. I'm just putting that up.
It's okay. And what is on your hand?
Sand
Oh, can you please show
Hand
the viewers?
sand.
Okay, hand sand. Alright.
and
Sounds right. And what is this? Pebbles, rocks. Alright. And
small rocks
small rocks.
and more small rocks.
More smaller rocks. Whoa. Alright. So let's start the process of making a DIY water filter.
Okay, so next,
Okay. Three.
guys, we have some very nasty lake water.
Can you just bring it a bit closer, Aman?
This is the nastiest lake water.
Yeah, this looks like typhoid, jaundice. All the diseases are mixed in one bottle. Alright, Aman. Let's start making our own DIY filter. Alright, first what we need to do? Okay, we need to use cotton. Like this. Alright. This is very nice. So it will look like this, right? Bring it closer, Aman. Oh, nice. Alright, now Aman is going to pour some sand on it. Aman, you have to be very careful by pouring the sand, alright? Nicely, slowly and nicely so that it vibrate koro. Wait. এখন একটু এমন করো. So that it goes all the way. More. Okay, more. My God, Aman, just so, wait, let me see the level. You have to hold it like this so that we can see the level of sand. It is like this way. Alright, I think it's enough.
Okay.
The sand.
We had a lot of sand. And now we have
Alright, that's enough. And next what we are going to do is a little charcoal. Okay, Aman, I think you need to use your hand so that you can
I'll wash it off later.
Alright, put the charcoal in, dude. All the charcoals in, guys. See the level.
You want to see my hands, guys? See my hands.
Okay, now wash your hands.
And now I have to put
Alright, some little baby rockies. Okay, I'll help you, Aman. Wait. Okay, now next level. Very nice.
some cotton, sand, charcoal, and just little rocks.
And now?
And now we put more in there.
Whoa, more little rocks. Wow. Open it up, Aman.
Okay. Hey guys. That's so lucky.
Now, what happens, Aman?
Some cotton.
How many layers are there? Tell us.
We got 1, 2, 3, 5.
So far, we have 5 layers of sedimentation. First is the cotton. Aman, put your fingers there. First, the cotton. Second, the sand. Third, the charcoal. Fourth, a bit big sand. And fifth is the little rocks. And now, finally, we are going to set it up with pebbles. Okay, Aman, put the pebbles, all the pebbles up. So that it looks very filled up. So this is how our sedimentation tank looks. So from there we're expecting that dirty lake black water, which is situated right behind of Aman. We are going to filter it and we're going to see a white water on it. Aman, open the lid. First he needs to open the cap of it. Zoom Kori. You take a look nicely. So this is our sedimentation tank and I'm taking my camera a bit closer to the...
Dirty water. Of course, we need some dirty water to filter it.
Okay, so that Aman is holding the dirty water and now the time for our end result. Let's see. Slowly. Okay, let's see. Oh my goodness, we are getting white, beautiful filtered water.
Even I can drink it if you want.
Even we can drink that water. See the freshness of the water that's coming out from the lake water. So this is the most fresh and the nice water. Come on, bring it closer to the can, please. Guys, you can see the water inside. First the water was very black. He poured it up and now we see the white water. Ready?
Guys, we have another second. We have another bottle of lake water.
Hey, show me, Aman. Is this actually drinkable? Oh my God, so Aman will use his sedimentation tank to make it look as white as ever. Aman, slowly, wait, and nicely. You have to pour it nicely. Move your hand. You have to pour it nicely. Thank you guys, and we'll be back with more interesting science experiments. Thank you very much.
I want to drink this now.